To begin using GoDaddy, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website by typing godaddy.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Upon loading the homepage, you'll find yourself at the central hub of GoDaddy's extensive range of services, from domain registration to website building tools. This platform is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced users, providing a comprehensive suite of tools to establish and manage your online presence effectively. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Clicking this button is the first step towards accessing your personalized account. Whether you're a returning user or new to GoDaddy, this Sign In area is your gateway to managing your domains, websites, and other related services. For those who prefer the convenience of logging in through a third-party service, there's an option available to sign in via Google located at the bottom of the Sign In menu. This feature streamlines the login process by allowing you to use your existing Google credentials, saving you time and effort. After successfully signing in, you'll notice the GoDaddy logo prominently displayed at the top of the page, accompanied by the My Account menu. This menu is a central feature of your GoDaddy dashboard, offering quick links to various sections such as your domains and websites. It's designed to provide easy access to the most frequently used tools and settings, enabling you to navigate your account with ease. By familiarizing yourself with the My Account menu, you can efficiently manage your online assets without having to search through multiple pages. Moving down to the center of the page, you'll find a search bar that serves as a powerful tool for finding specific domains you might be interested in purchasing. This feature allows you to quickly check the availability of desired domain names, ensuring that you can secure the perfect web address for your website or business. Adjacent to the search bar is the Set Up Free Website button. Clicking this button initiates the process of creating and setting up your website, offering you a variety of customizable templates and design options. Additionally, this feature allows you to link any domains you've purchased through GoDaddy directly to your new website, streamlining the setup process. On the top right side of the page, several important icons and buttons are located, including the Help button, your cart, the notification bell, and your account details. The Help button provides access to a wealth of resources and support options, ensuring that assistance is always at your fingertips. Your cart icon displays the items you've selected for purchase, making it easy to review and complete your transactions. The notification bell alerts you to any important updates or messages related to your account, while the account icon gives you access to your personal settings and preferences. These elements work together to enhance your overall user experience, offering convenient access to essential features and information. To begin managing your website and domain, click on the Website section. This action will take you to a dedicated area where you can oversee all aspects of your website, including its content, design, and functionality. Alongside domain management, this section provides tools to monitor your website's performance and make necessary updates. Navigating to the website area is essential for maintaining an effective online presence, allowing you to make real-time changes and improvements as needed. Within the website management interface, look towards the top right panel. Here you'll find the same set of options that appear on the home screen, including the Help Center, notifications, quick links, your profile, and cart. This consistency ensures that you can easily access these features from any part of the platform, maintaining a seamless experience as you manage different aspects of your website and domain. The Help Center remains a valuable resource for troubleshooting and learning more about GoDaddy's offerings, while notifications keep you informed about important updates or changes. On the left side of the screen, a panel lists various features and functions that allow you to navigate your website and domain efficiently. This sidebar serves as a navigation hub, giving you access to different sections such as website editing, domain settings, and additional tools. By utilizing this left panel, you can quickly switch between different functionalities, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity as you manage your online assets. To view all the websites associated with your account, click on the Workspace section. This area provides a comprehensive view of all the websites you've created or are managing through your GoDaddy account. From here, you can select any website to access its specific dashboard, allowing you to oversee its performance, update content, and manage settings. The workspace serves as an organized repository for your websites, making it easy to maintain multiple online properties without confusion. Within each website's dashboard, you'll find a wealth of basic information and quick links to various settings. This dashboard is designed to give you a clear overview of your website's status, including traffic statistics, recent activity, and essential configuration options. From here, you can easily edit your website's content, publish updates, and manage domains connected to your site. Additionally, the dashboard provides quick access to tools that allow you to monitor website traffic, ensuring you can make informed decisions based on visitor behavior and engagement. Navigating to the domain section will give you control over all aspects related to your domain names. Here you can view the details of each domain you've registered, renew them to maintain ownership, and manage DNS settings that control how your domain interacts with other internet services. The domain section also allows you to forward your domain to another website, providing flexibility in how your online presence is presented. Moreover, this area offers options to purchase new domains, or even sell existing ones, giving you the ability to expand or monetize your domain portfolio as needed. Proceeding to the website section, you'll find options to edit and publish your website, as well as view available plans that can enhance your site's functionality. Editing your website involves making changes to its design, layout, and content to better align with your goals and audience. Once you're satisfied with the updates, you can publish them to make the changes live for your visitors. Additionally, the available plans offer various features and benefits that can help you scale your website's capabilities, such as increased storage, enhanced security, and advanced design tools. In the email section, you have the ability to manage your email users, create new email accounts, or even purchase additional email services. This feature is essential for maintaining professional communication channels, whether for personal use or business purposes. By managing your email users, you can assign specific email addresses to team members, ensuring organized and efficient correspondence. The ability to create new email accounts allows for scalability as your needs grow, while purchasing additional email services can provide enhanced functionality and security options. Clicking on the Store section will expand a range of options including Overview, Products, Categories, Orders, and Settings. The Store area is your central hub for managing your online store, allowing you to handle everything from product listings to order processing. By accessing the Overview tab, you can gain a comprehensive view of your store's performance, including sales metrics and customer interactions. The Products section lets you add and manage your inventory, while Categories help you organize your products for easier navigation. Orders provides detailed information about customer purchases, and the Settings area allows you to customize various aspects of your store to better suit your business needs. Within the Store section, the Overview tab offers a broad view of your store's overall performance. Here you can add new products, set up payment and shipping options, and make edits to your site to improve its functionality and appearance. Additionally, the overview provides insights into strategies for increasing website traffic, such as integrating a Facebook page or updating your site's SEO to enhance search engine visibility. Features like cart recovery and enabling customer reviews can significantly boost your store's effectiveness by encouraging repeat business and building trust with potential customers. The products section within the store allows you to add both digital and physical products to your inventory. Whether you're selling software, ebooks, clothing, or other tangible items, this feature provides the tools you need to catalog and display your offerings effectively. Additionally, the products section supports the import of products in CSV format, making it easier to bulk upload items and manage large inventories efficiently. This capability is particularly useful for businesses with extensive product lines, streamlining the process of updating and maintaining accurate product information. In the Categories section, you can view, add, and manage your product categories, as well as create subcategories to further organize your inventory. Proper categorization is crucial for enhancing the shopping experience, allowing customers to navigate your store with ease and find the products they're interested in quickly. By creating well-defined categories and subcategories, you can improve the overall structure of your store, making it more user-friendly and increasing the likelihood of sales. Moving to the Orders section, you can view all orders placed through your store, as well as monitor abandoned carts. This feature provides detailed information about each transaction, including customer details, order status, and payment information. By analyzing this data, you can identify trends, address issues, and implement strategies to reduce cart abandonment rates. Monitoring abandoned carts is particularly important for understanding why customers may be leaving without completing their purchases, allowing you to make necessary adjustments to improve conversion rates. In the settings section of your store, you can access and configure various aspects of your store's operation. This includes general settings such as store name and contact information, as well as more specific configurations like shipping options, payment gateways, tax calculations, checkout processes, and abandoned cart recovery settings. Each tab within the settings area offers tools to customize your store's functionality, ensuring that it aligns with your business requirements and provides a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Navigating to the appointments section will reveal additional options including overview, calendar, services, categories, customers, staff, and settings. This area is designed to help you manage bookings and appointments effectively, whether you're running a service-based business or managing events. The overview provides a summary of all your appointments, allowing you to manage services and settings with ease. The calendar offers a visual representation of your schedule, making it simple to add bookings, update availability, or block off times as needed. Within the calendar section, you have the ability to add new bookings, update your availability, or block out specific time slots to prevent double bookings. Additionally, the calendar can be filtered by day, month, or upcoming appointments, providing a clear and organized view of your schedule. This level of organization is essential for maintaining efficiency and ensuring that you can accommodate all your appointments without conflicts. In the services section, you can add new services, manage existing ones, and view both active and past services. This feature allows you to define the range of services you offer, set pricing, and establish service durations. By keeping your services up to date and accurately described, you can attract more customers and provide clear information about what they can expect. Organizing your services effectively also helps in managing your workflow and ensuring that you can meet customer demands efficiently. The categories section within appointments allows you to add and manage categories for your services, creating a structured and organized system that makes it easier for customers to find and select the services they need. By categorizing your services, you enhance the user experience, making it straightforward for clients to navigate through your offerings and choose the options that best fit their requirements. This organization is vital for both customer satisfaction and efficient service management. In the customers section, you can manage and engage with your customers, providing tools to enhance their experience and build stronger relationships. This includes viewing customer information, managing communication preferences, and tracking interactions. By effectively managing your customer base, you can tailor your services to meet their needs, respond to inquiries promptly, and foster loyalty, ultimately contributing to the growth and success of your business. The staff section allows you to add and manage staff members, viewing detailed information about each employee. This feature is essential for businesses that rely on multiple team members to deliver services, ensuring that you can assign tasks effectively and monitor employee performance. You can add up to 20 staff members or resources, providing flexibility to scale your operations as your business grows. Additionally, each staff member can be assigned to perform only one service at a time, allowing for clear accountability and efficient task management. Within the settings section of appointments, you can access a variety of tools and information related to your business. This includes your business information, availability settings, booking information, and communication preferences. Additionally, you can manage booking channels, integrate various apps, and handle payment and tax settings. These tools are designed to provide comprehensive control over your appointment-based services, ensuring that all aspects of your business are configured to operate smoothly and efficiently. Moving on to the social section, you can access and manage your connected social media platforms. This area is divided into 3 tabs: Overview, Presence, and Insight. The overview provides a summary of your social media activities, while the Presence tab allows you to manage your online presence across different platforms. The Insight tab offers valuable analytics, enabling you to gauge engagement levels, monitor the performance of your posts, and understand how your social media efforts are impacting your business. By effectively managing your social media connections, you can enhance your online visibility and engage more effectively with your audience. Finally, in the marketing section, you gain access to a comprehensive suite of tools designed to manage and optimize your marketing campaigns. This includes an overview tab that provides a snapshot of your marketing activities, as well as specialized tools for SEO optimization, social media posting, email marketing, blogging, content creation, and managing coupons. Each of these tools offers unique features to help you reach your target audience, increase your online presence, and drive sales. By leveraging these marketing tools, you can create effective campaigns that attract customers, retain existing ones, and ultimately grow your business. The customer section within marketing provides access to automations, sign-up forms, and settings. These tools allow you to automate repetitive tasks, create customized sign-up forms for capturing leads, and configure various settings to tailor your marketing efforts to your specific needs. Automations help streamline your marketing processes, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your campaigns. Sign-up forms enable you to gather important information from potential customers, building your contact list and facilitating personalized marketing strategies. Lastly, the deals section offers access to special perks designed to help run your business smoothly. This includes exclusive discounts, promotional offers, and other incentives that can provide added value to your operations. By taking advantage of these deals, you can enhance your business's efficiency, reduce costs, and access additional resources that support your growth and success. Throughout this GoDaddy tutorial, we've guided you through each step necessary to navigate and utilize the platform effectively. From signing in and managing your account to setting up your website, handling domains, managing a store, scheduling appointments, and executing marketing strategies, GoDaddy offers a robust set of tools to support your online endeavors. By following these detailed instructions and leveraging the practical tips provided, you can establish a strong online presence, streamline your business operations, and achieve your goals with confidence. As you become more familiar with GoDaddy's interface and features, you'll find that managing your online assets becomes increasingly intuitive. Remember to regularly explore the different sections and tools available, as GoDaddy continually updates its offerings to provide enhanced functionality and support. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into the world of web management, or an experienced user looking to optimize your existing setup, GoDaddy's comprehensive platform is equipped to meet your needs and help you succeed in the digital landscape.